Hey guys, we are showing you this Samply OutCool U-Flex cooling pack. You can fill in the ice or the cold water or the hot water, and you can just use it as your personal cooling thing on the neck. So as you can see, it's a very flexible material here, and it's pretty straightforward use. So that you can do it like in a way, you can put in the ice here, you can put in a cold water, and sometimes if you just want some hot massage, you can also put hot water in here. So I think you can use it in a multiple way, and the comfortability is here. So the material is also very flexy, and the cool summer way you can use. And yeah, so I put in the water here just for the demo purpose, and you can see like just take and put in the water here. So just to show like how this looks and feel. So yeah, just I will just clean this up, and then you can see like the bubbly thing inside, and the ice. So here is this comfortable on my neck. It's covering my neck completely from the sides and the back. And then there's no hand and touching, so it's better and it's just keep on cooling and very comfortable.